So I thought I'd share another little thing. One of the problems with growing with pots like the way I'm doing it is you get all kinds of grass and little weeds growing all around through them, right? It's like you can't keep moving them all summer long to mow in between them, right? Of course, the grass underneath is going to die, which is fine because it's not permanent. But what I've done is I get down right in here when it gets long enough. I just start ripping it out. Tons and tons of it. So the problem, right, also becomes a solution. Because what I do with it over here, I got a couple of garbage bins. Don't mind the mess back here because it's messy. These garbage bins, I use them for my compost tea. Now last year I filled this one up with some hydrangea leaves from the front. So that's what I've been doing. So I composted all winter long. I didn't put water in it in the winter. I just put it in there, put a little bit of water. And then in the spring, I filled it up with water. So I got two going now. And that's my compost. They got locking legs because they can smell. They can smell pretty bad, you know. You do have to be mindful of the neighbors, even if the neighbors aren't mindful of you. You still have to be mindful of them, regardless of their, you know, behavior that's like no regard for the neighbors, right? So, yeah, I make a nice tea, and it helps replenish. Man, it's so powerful, eh? Because all the nutrients in here that made this grass grow, locked up in there, get dissolved out at least partially. I mean, those bins get real hot in the summer, so it kind of like slow cooks them, you know. But it can smell pretty raunchy. But the stuff I put there in the winter, it didn't have any smell at all. So that's kind of interesting. Like at the front garden bed, we have all these flowers. I don't know what they're called, but they have a lot of leaves. I filled that whole bin. So it's beautiful, like garden soil amendment stuff.